Ja, sånt skött ju Kerin korkea.
We captured it. Today it's 15th of July 2025. It's Huippukatu 325 staircase B, and which one we also have? Staircase.
Yeah, A, D and F.
A, D, and F. Okay. Good.
E also, yeah.
A, D, E, F.
Yeah.
This is amazing also, but unfortunately different codes. It's also in Liipola, Lahti, Finland. Has been built in 1973 by ValmetSchlieren in Brazil, 3267. And with 6 floors and 2 rides here.
Inspiratiivaakin väistää, että me eteenpäin kooni.
Okay, that's it, and thank you very much for watching. I hope that we can also get to the staircases A, D, E, and F here as soon as possible.
Yeah. That's